is crazy. There's a lot of people. So if you want to get a custom-made shirt, you should come here. What is it? Hey, how's it going? Are you a solo traveler or thinking about solo traveling in Mexico City for the first time? This video is for you. In this video, I'll be traveling from the suburbs of Mexico City to the downtown Zócalo area where our tourists go using public transportation. I'll be sharing practical tips like how to refill your Metro card, spot women's only subway cars, find rare free restrooms in the downtown Mexico City Zócalo area, enjoying some tourist activities, and even show you where to get a custom traditional Mexican shirt called a Guayabera. I won't be talking much this time so you can fully see and hear what it's like to do this alone. And don't worry, I'll highlight all the important places via text on the screen. Hope you enjoy this video.
No esperas que te restes, tienes 4, pero yo vengo de un plano no terrestre. Pero claro que este pacificativo, un plano cartesiano, o la duda que no está casino, para que
There's this one. Oh yeah, this is it right here. This is the coffee shop. Yeah, this is it.
¿Tienes lugar? Sí.
Apóyame escaneando el menú que tenemos pegado aquí a su derecha, por favor.
Ok.
Perfect.
We are lucky. Pero no sé cómo nombre.
I'm gonna close this.
Hola.
Hi, hola.
Algo de esto. Para llevar, por favor.
Saludos desde México a todo el mundo, papi. Directamente desde Oaxaca.
¿Qué le damos, güera? ¿Cuántos? ¿De este lado y lugar ahí? ¿Qué damos? ¿Qué damos? ¿Cuántos?
Man, it's freaking good. Definitely try this. Good. Oh, I'm gonna have the guy follow the guy again.
Ah, yes. Okay.
Let's go right here.
You love
Better.
follow the man.
Better.
No, esa no es cantera. Cantera es aquella.
The city, all the city was above this place. It was enormous. This is your experience. Temple City.
This is crazy. There's a lot of people here. We're in the Zócalo right now, but we're like not where all the tourists are. Yeah, this is crazy. There's a lot of people.
Galletitas de a 5 pesos la galleta que se trae.
No le pegues.
Oh, more foreigners taking the camera.
I was sitting here.
See, like that. Only
Other
foreigners do
foreign-
this.
No, we know, but this place it was very different before.
Why? Why was it?
Now look more nice.
Oh. Ooh, I want to see these. How much does this cost?
Magic, love, and tradition. Ciudadela.
Hmm.
Leo, Leo.
This is a cool place. Hola. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes, gracias.
Ah, sí,
Te digo, me
venimos
agarraste
del centro.
durmiendo. A ver,
Oh, nice.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I
Looks
love
better.
it.
Yeah, it looks better in person.
Yes.
sí, sigo. Es la misma talla de la negra que la que se probó, la última.
Ujú.
Lot of sweat. Mucho sweat.
Ah, sudor que está muy sudado.
Ah, ya. Ya en el espejo. A ver, mira.
mirror.
Para que no hubiera
It's
pierde.
good. I like it.
It's perfect.
Bueno,
¿Quedó
yeah.
muy bien?
Sí, gracias.
Ajá, de nada, qué bueno que te gustó.
Yeah, mucho good, yeah.
Mucho gusto. Very nice. I like it so much.
Yeah, good.
¿Sí?
Yeah, muchas gracias.
Qué bueno,
Yeah.
qué bueno que te
Eran
gustó.
350.
Ajá.
So if you want to get a custom-made shirt, you should come here. What is it? How do you say what's her name? Her
Mari.
Mari.
Mari. Her name is
Señora
Mari.
Mari.
For a custom-made shirt here. Yeah, very beautiful. Aisle 6. It's aisle 6.
Yeah, because sure it's the same. But there's more.
Yeah. Wow, it's big. Why are they waiting in line? Oh no, is this a taco place that we're gonna eat at? Oh my god.
¿Y los tacos? Yes.
This is the taco line? Oh my gosh.
Gracias.
Okay, we go home.
That you was recording, and they say,
Yeah. They weren't angry though, right?
or
No,
them.
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 Oh my god.
Oh, quería el campo.
This is it, huh? Too many people.
Do you want to go for that?
De hecho, cuando me metí a esa escuela fue cuando...
You would look very, very handsome.
Oh my gosh. Everyone's gonna think I know how to dance. Like, oh, you wear that shirt? Oh, you know how to dance.
And your monkey.
Like, what subway station is this?
This is San Cosme.
San Cosme.
San Cosme.